Hey, you know the skip isn't in this direction, right?
When we get to the skiff, let's tell Marcus what we're doing.
Okay, but I got another question. If you did leave, where would you go?
Pre or post-swarm outbreak?
Pre.
Someplace with a beach.
And post?
A bunker, 5 miles underground.
Okay. You got room for two?
Aren't you forgetting Jack?
Yeah, but he doesn't take up much space.
What about you? Where would you go?
You know what?
I have no idea. But I tell you,
Marcus, we got a location. If there was a lab in Mount Kadar, we'll know soon enough.
Okay, but I'll say it again. That mountain was Grub Central. We don't know what's there. Just promise that if you run into something you can't handle, you'll let me know.
Appreciate that, but we're doing all right so far. Delta out.
hey, cargo salt derricks, beyond those trees.
Okay, let's set this place up. Could be cooling technique.
Let's head up here. Come on. Figures. They're all over the place.
Let's try to get the drop on.
Close. They're onto us! Put them down!
Kate! Incoming warden!
They're all down.
Let's hunt around for cooling tech.
It's some kind of part, which I'm gonna guess just made your day.
Nice. That's a grind lift cooling system part. Remember those engineering notes? We find more of this tech, we can upgrade Jack. Jack's excited. Hey, can you feel it? She feels it. I can tell.
All right, grab anything else you need before we head back to the skiff. Del, you coming? Shit. Lena must have the security code.
Well, let's just focus on finding that lab. Come on, time to get out of here.
Hey, look, over there! Got eyes on another derrick site!
Okay, let's check this out.
You know, Uncle fought in Hollowstorm. Said these derricks launched you underground like a missile. According to him, there were some lost lunches involved. Anyway.
All right, one more piece of cooling tech, and Jack will be good to go.
No, maybe some of us like Jack just the way he is.
Hey now, don't stand in the way of Jack's personal growth.
I got a grind lift here.
Shit! Swarm!
Yeah, like clockwork. Hold him off! Throwing grenade! Throwing frag!
Shit! They're coming up the ladder! We got a stowaway! Ladder! Ladder! And now pounce! Of course! Why not? Frag out!
Sweet! I'll take that! Okay, we're clear.
Finally. Now let's see what's in this grind list.
Hey, get excited. It's more cooling tech.
Yo, Jack, your flash? You got a whole lot cooler. Yeah, I know. I'm excited too.
All right, grab anything else you need before we head back to the skiff. Found some weapons over here. hopping out of here. So, we're eventually gonna find this lab, right?
Nothing wrong with the scenic route. At least when you're finding good stuff along the way. I'll take navigation.
You know, I just realized? You've never told me about your parents.
No? Huh. I guess not.
You ever talk about them?
Not really.
Well, if you ever do want to talk about them,
Kate, I like holding all my shit in. It's better for everyone that way.
Ready to go.
In the cliff! Another crashed Condor!
Okay, let's get searching. See if we turn anything up.
Sure, but the faster the better. Wreckage is pretty spread out. A lot of area to search.
Block! Block!
No, 2 blocks!
Why do you think I said it twice? Oh, shit! Rejects pouring out of that condor!
Spread out! Give him multiple targets! I got him! God damn, there's a lot of them! Target's down! Got you! Gotcha! All right, I don't see any more.
Block the back! One block grounded!
Stay down!
And down goes the other one! Holy shit.
That was a lot.
So much for a quick pit stop. Let's get searching.
You know, with the flock around, every time a condor goes down, it turns into a goddamn reject.
Yeah, well, I never liked DBs much the other way either.
All right, I think we scavenged everything.
Come on then, back to the skiff.
You know, as Ice Cliffs of Death go, it's got a nice view at least.
Whatever floats your boat, my friend. Come on, up here.
So, back on the trail?
Unless something else comes up, which it always does.
Hey, our coordinates are coming up. Hey, this is it. Come on, let's get off. Kate, we getting off or what?
Kate, this is it. Come on, let's get off.
Kate, we getting off or what?
Kate, this is it. Come on, let's get off. Kate, we getting off or what?
Shit. Lena must have the security code.
Well, let's just focus on finding that lab. Come on, time to get out of here. I'll take navigation.
Kate,
We getting off or what?
Wait a second. There's nothing here.
Yeah, I don't get it. Look, the data checks out. We're in the right place. Maybe Jack can, I don't know, use Pulse to ping the signal.
Worth a try. Jack, shock track.
Come on, Jack. Use Pulse.
Jack, look.
Jack, we need you. Pulse that signal.
Jack, cloak.
Come on, Jack. Use Pulse. Jack, we need you. Pulse that signal.
Jack, pulse.
Whoa. There's something under the ice. Nice work, buddy.
That's gotta be what we're looking for. But how do we get down there?
Not easily. Ice this thick, it's like concrete.
Not sure if this helps, but Baird says there was an old mine in that area.
Old mine? Blasting caps. Explosives.
I'll push the coordinates to Jack.
Thanks, Marcus.
All right. I guess we got a potential solution. Old mine it is.
Up north? This isn't exactly what I had in mind. Man, I thought it was cold down by Oscar's village. This is ridiculous.
What about your armor thermals? They're still working, right?
Yeah, but my armor doesn't cover my face. My goddamn nose hair is frozen.
Thanks for sharing.
Skip's holding up well. That's the one positive development here.
You know, Oscar used to take me skiff sailing on the salt flats near Halvo Bay.
You guys went that far to sail.
Yeah. There was no cog left down there. Nothing. Just ruins. I'm really gonna miss him.
I know. Me too. Kate, the mine's in the backwoods over there. Let's go find some explosives.
Okay, the mine's back here somewhere, right? Let's hope it's got something we can use.
Oh, sure. But that really depends on the type of mining they're engaged in. If they were doing hydraulic mining, we might find some high-pressure water cutters. But given the environment, I bet it was some kind of subsurface extractive mining.
Okay, all right, I got it. We're going down. There's the mine. Marcus, we're here. What do you know about this place?
Let's see. It's an old nether-cut mine. Industrial, rare metals. Company got nationalized by the COG right before E-Day.
So no activity since the war?
No COG activity. Can't speak beyond that.
Okay, thanks. We'll be in touch. Bridge to the mine is blocked. Derailed train.
I mean, it's gotta be another way across, right?
Let's see. Let's try down here. Okay, looks promising. I take it back! We got swarmed!
Let's take him out!
Careful on that ice! Dead! Got another one! All right, they're done.
Well, it's pretty clear they don't want us in that mine.
Yeah, but we gotta get up there. Let's try that lift. Jack, rip that door.
Uh-oh. Kate! Other side of the river!
I see him. Hold him off. This'll work.
They're still coming. Man, they do not want us getting into that mine. Throwing frag! I'll help you out! Someone! Get over here!
Pulse!
No help here!
I'm wounded!
No help here! You gotta help me up! Thanks! Throwing frag!
Okay, we're clear. And the lift should be good to go.
Nice work, Jack.
outsider camp. Lena, Norse. I bet they were from here.
You could be right. But that means
That means we're about to have a fight on our hands.